Hello guys! Welcome to my channel again. It's Winnie Bautista.
Every week is fashion week for me. Hell yeah.
So this is our bus. Here is the meeting place. So suddenly you see the bus. This is for person and it's really nice. So amazing experience guys. Samahan nyo ko. Ito yung bus namin. All here. Yan ang bus namin actually. Meron siyang mga free table. Wait, pakita ko yung table. Yan, may free table dito. Kasi yun sila yung mga kasama namin. Sila. Si Jenny.
Hello.
Where are you going?
I'm going to there.
Where?
There.
So, hi. This is the airplane. Charot. Sa dulo. Marami pang empty space. Wow. There is free coffee. Jen, free coffee. Yes. And water also. It's water also. Yeah. Yeah, this one. Sila yung mga pito yung mga kasama namin. Naligaw kami. So, ito siya. Ito yung mga kasama namin. Hi! Hello! Makita nyo to sa YouTube, ah. Hello po!
Sayang pagkakataon.
Kaya nga ay. Hi Jenny, we're getting ready. We are going to take off. Oh, take off.
Take off the dress. The jacket.
Take off. They are checking everything. Please God bless our trip. So guys, sa mga nandito sa Kuwait na gustong ma-experience ang pagpunta sa Abdali Farm at kung I think three places ang pupuntahan namin. So eto pala yung mobile number niya. Anytime pwede niyo silang i-message, kontakin niyo lang sila. Ang owner pala nito is one of my friend. Suddenly hindi ko alam na sa kanila pala to. So it's coincidence. So tara guys, samahan niyo kami sa adventure. So ayan siya, may sarili siyang mundo. Hi Jenny, where are you going? So there, and if you notice, we have video okay here, they are singing. So, bats. So ayan guys, nag-i-start ng umandar kami. Hope you enjoy the experience. Enjoy. God bless our trip. So eto guys, andar na kami. Mag-start na kami, papunta na kami. On the way guys. I'm really excited what we are going to see there. So bye. See you later. May free service. Point to the wheels. So mag-gasoline muna kami guys. May free coffee pa dito guys. Tingnan nyo naman. Free coffee from Macdo. Charot. akala. Truck akala. So, dito sa disyerto. Ayun, camel. Going to ride a camel. Camel. Ay, laki oh. Ayun, ang laki. Ah. Hi, camel. Hello, camel. Ang laki ng camel, guys. Tingnan nyo. Galit yun. Hi! Oh my God! Oy! My gamit. Oh my God! Oh, parang